name's Leah Norton, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a penny spinner. So this is the one I've made already, and before I get started with what you'll need, I want to tell you about why I'm making penny spinners. So it's good for students in around 3rd to 5th grade, and what it can be used for is to kind of start teaching them the physics of why this spins and why the top spins. And kind of go over that either before or after, but it also is a fun activity to let the students do by themselves.
That will be needed for this is cardboard, which will later be drawn circles on them. You will need the sheet of the templates, which you can find on Google, some glue, some markers, or in my case, colored pens, a penny, multiple pennies, and a pair of scissors.
Step will be to cut out your templates, and for now I'm only going to do one of them because I'm just going to show you how to do one, but you would cut them all out or have the students cut them. After you have finished cutting out your template, you can use the template to put on the cardboard and trace the cardboard so you can have the exact same size as your template for the cardboard. Trace your circle, you can then go ahead and cut your circle out, and you again can let the students do this, or you can do it for them before. Your cardboard circle cutout, I'd recommend doing this part for your students because it does get a little tricky and can be a little dangerous, but you have to poke a hole in the middle. I start with a hole and then I can cut it out to the size of the penny, but yeah, I recommend doing that. Done, you can go ahead and color in your template. Coloring your template, I was feeling a little festive since it's near the holidays and I decided to do red and green, but you can go ahead and cut your hole in the middle to have it at the same size as your spinner. I've completed that step. You can go ahead and take the penny out of both sides, both the paper and the cardboard, and you can go ahead and glue your paper onto your cardboard. Dry for a little while, you can then put your penny back in, and you want your penny more on the top than the bottom, and this is your finished product, and you can go ahead and spin it.